This is buffalo skin,
Yes.
and that is goat.
That's goat skin.
That is goat skin.
Yeah, similar.
The Slumdog Millionaire film where the kids jump into the sewage. Wow, look. This is the sewage, and as per our guide, the kids really jumped into the sewage. So this is buffalo skin,
Yes.
and that is goat.
That's goat skin.
That is goat skin.
Yes.
Pooja, you said we can kill buffalo, sheep,
Sheep, lamb,
Lamb,
goat,
goat.
and water buffalo.
and water buffalo. So in India, we can only kill these 5 animals for leather
For
making.
leather, yes.
So this is the dye which gets into the drains after the leather processing. This is finally the final product, and it's branded as Dharavi. This Dharavi bags can be used in 3 different ways.
You can
Okay.
base in like 2 sides, like
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Press down.
Yes.
Make one side backpack like this,
Okay.
and third, this one, pull it down, and make one side handle.
Oh, interesting. So in Dharavi, you also have money transfer as a facility, and look how buzzing this entire region is. This economy is something special, and the spirit of the people here, it's something extraordinary.